air, the very sustenance of life. To live healthy, they say, eat healthy, drink healthy, and now, more importantly, breathe healthy. Would you believe that certain pollutants can be found more easily indoors than outdoors? And living in very polluted towns and cities makes the problem even worse, as outdoor air has a major impact on indoor air quality. Do you know we spend 80% of our time indoors? Enough studies link mortality with air pollution. Some studies go as far as saying that we are losing almost 10 years of our lives due to air pollution, and some others put the number at 3 years lost on an average. One of the highest factors affecting disability-adjusted life years in India is air pollution. Air pollution affects all organs of the human body and is not just restricted to pulmonary issues. It can even cause cancer, stroke, and ischemic heart disease. What are the causes of indoor pollution? Invasion from polluted outdoor air. PM 2.5, PM 10, chlorines, ammonia, phthalates, triclosan, carbon monoxide, dust, bacteria and viruses, odors, chemicals, pesticides, household cleaners, exhaust fumes, smoke, and many more. Is there a method to combat indoor air pollution? The market today offers many solutions and products that claim to purify the air we breathe. Indoor plants, air purifiers, air conditioners, and more. Do these solutions really do anything to combat the problem? The answers are here. Come, witness the effectiveness of these solutions in action during a live exhibit at ACREX India 2020. Let's make our homes and offices pollution-free and see how clean air can really lead to a healthier and longer life. Shuddh Vaayu Deergh Aayu.